Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another app that pays you massive money, does the simple line. So in this app, you just have to watch video and earn money just watching videos. So the name of this app is called what? Adscoin. So this Adscoin mobile earnings pays you money just watching Google ads or Google ads, anyone. So this is the app here. So you click on it. So this is the app here, guys. You just have to watch ads and get paid. Just watch the ads and get paid per ads you watch in this website. So this one is what is loading video ads right now. So this is the video ads here, guys. So you just have to press watch video ads. That's plus 7 coin when you watch video ads in this website, in this app here. So let's watch the video ads, and you can also watch. That's the only means you can use to earn here. When you watch a video ads, they will add 7.1 to your coin. This is also you just have to be doing daily. Just be doing it every seconds, every minute. You're going to earn massive money in this website, in this app, and it's really paying you. So let's watch the video ads right now. So this is it. I've clicked on the video ads, so it's loading. So I've clicked on this video ads now. It's loading for 36 seconds. This is how you watch your video ads on this web, in this app here. So you click cancel. So it will take you back here. Can you see it has add 7.7 coin to my coin just now. So you just watch another video and also get 4 points. Watch another video, you also get another 4 points in this app here. So you can also so I'll be dropping my referral link under the comment section. So you use my referral link to sign up and be giving 100 points. When you use my referral link to sign up, you're giving 100 points in this app here. You can also watch videos as much as possible. You can watch as much as possible video you want to watch daily. So and you also earn your money in this website, guys. So the minimum payout. The minimum payout is just 100 coin. Can you see the minimum payout is 100 coins equals to 1 ROB. So and 100 ROB is $1, guys. So in a day you can be making $1 because the video is unlimited. You can watch as much as possible videos, and the minimum amount is 300 coin, and that 300 coin is how many RUB? Yes, 3 RUB. It is 300 coins, 3 RUB. So the 450 coin to your pay USD is 450 coin. That's 4 RUB and 5 cents of it. So the minimum of this one is called 4,500 coin. That's $1. Yes, that's $1. So you just have to withdraw it to your account in this app here. So that's just, if you click on withdraw to your payee, you have to put your payee wallet here and add your coin amount here, and you also withdraw your money to your payee account. Within 10 minutes you are seeing your money. You keep watching videos, ads, and keep watching and watching, and you also earn coin every seconds you watch videos on this app here. You also earn coin every seconds. So you can make up to $10 daily to $20 daily, depending on how you watch the video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more. So because the more you share, the more you like it, the more I keep uploading more videos that is paying you guys. So thanks for watching.